Hey, did you know that you can improve your anatomy drawings incredibly by only using one secret technique? In this video, I'm going to reveal this secret that any artist can use. However, most of aspiring artists don't use this powerful technique, so today I'll show you how exactly you can use it to blow up your anatomy drawings. My name is Arseni, I am an artist working in the game industry, and this secret completely changed my way of drawing, and I'll share it with you. Have you ever felt that your anatomy drawings are missing something? I felt the same. And that was until I realized one thing. When you start your path to make great drawings, to succeed in it, you just need a reliable map. But there are different kinds of maps you can pick from. Most of the time we choose the only map we know, and this map contains only our starting point and the destination, nothing else. So our path will be completely random and non-confident, and so will be our drawings. But what makes a great map? I'm sharing my professional experience with you completely for free, or almost. You can leave a like and it would be a great payoff for me. Thank you. And the great map is the map with certain elements such as roads, rivers, mountains and etc. So we can easily navigate through it. In order to be great, our map, aka our anatomy drawings, should have landmarks. They are different spots that can help our eyes navigate through the body of the character, and these certain spots make our anatomy drawings look much more believable. So we need to know on which spots we should make an emphasis on. One of the main keys to anatomy is to draw dynamic and crisp lines. That's why today I'm drawing on Huion's Canvas Pro 16 pen display. I always have a full control of my brush, because this pen tablet has no parallax, and also you can see no gap between pen tip and the screen. I personally fell in love with those included felt nibs, because of the drawing on paper feeling they give. This 2.5K display has a great color coverage, so I can rely on it while I'm doing my concept art job at the studio. If you want to produce high quality art and need a tablet you can rely on, check the link in the description below. Landmarks always would be a parts of the body with very pronounced bones. And instead of naming every single part with names like 7 cervical vertebra, we will call these bony landmarks bumpies, because we don't need overcomplication for now. So, to make our anatomy drawings look professional, we need to show bumpies on the front and the back sides of the body. On the back side, it would be lines of the shoulder blades, and especially this spot right here. This particular point of the spine would be visible on most people too. The same relates to the triangle zone right here. I'm also teaching drawing in most simple way possible on my Patreon page, so check it out and as a bonus get my drawing brushes. From the front side, landmarks would be clavicles, ribs and bones of the pelvis. Oh, and don't forget about limbs. There you would see bony spots like elbow bones, knuckles, knees and 2 bumpies right here. Make sure you are making the right emphasis on these spots with your line art, and I'm showing how exactly to do this in this video, so watch it next.